Lakshmi and welcome to my channel Lakshmi's Passion. Now I have checked into the Emirates Pavilion of Dubai Expo 2020. The journey of this pavilion begins by collecting a seat, which unpacks visitors' interactions in different technologies, knowledge and experience. Emirates Pavilion offers a preview for the future of commercial aviation, reframing the role that science and technology will play in the next 50 years of air travel. In this future lab of Emirates Pavilion, the visitors will get an opportunity to run experiments carried out by robotic arms, which demonstrate the technologies that will make the aircraft of the future faster, lighter, and stronger.
This aircraft has a fully automated cockpit, which is controlled by a state-of-the-art flight computer system. Manage your service for the duration of the flight. We're now launching your in-flight entertainment system, so you can sit back, relax, and enjoy.
And then we shall
Use your hands to direct the in-flight entertainment system, so you can take advantage of some of the unique features of this aircraft.
This is the airport of the future Dubai. Emirates visualizes the airport of the future to learn how biometrics, data analytics, and smart technologies will transform the passenger experience on the ground.
Humanity lives and works in cities. That's close to 7 billion people worldwide. Your home city is Rome too. Dubai has become the global hub for commerce, culture and tourism. It's been transformed into a lush oasis by vertical seawater farms and solar-powered desalination plants. These technologies help make us self-sufficient and provide fresh food and drinking water for our 6 million citizens. Our city is managed by Artificial Intelligence Systems, or AI for short. They use data provided by self-powered smart buildings, autonomous vehicles and public facilities to create a dynamic, human-centered habitat. Shall we take a look around? Sustainable technology has transformed travel. This striking solar-powered yacht can circumnavigate the globe using power consumption comparable to the average Dubai commute in 2020. As many of you predicted, city vehicles now run on electricity and are largely autonomous. Routes are determined by AI, ensuring journeys are delightfully short and traffic jam free. This garage can take you even further. biometrically scanned and passed seamlessly airside. With the average journey time from city centre to take off around 30 minutes, and airports reinventing themselves as destinations in their own right, there's no need to arrive early. But you may end up not wanting to leave. Looks like it's time to board. This carriage is also a fuselage and completely modular, simultaneously picking up and able to carry fuel, passengers and cargo to multiple destinations. We'll be airborne very soon. This craft offers a host of personalized features and services. Airfares in 2071 are no longer based on cabin class. Instead, a seamless biometric payment system allows you to access features and services as and when you require them. Food waste has been eliminated by AI smart prediction, pre-ordering and biodisposable tableware. In-flight menus are tailored to your immediate physiology, nutrition needs and appetite. After years of endeavor to create an environmentally stable world, our skies have cleared, forests are regenerating, and the oceans are replenished. Carbon-neutral travel is ubiquitous, and the journey is now truly as good as the destination. Do you recognize the approaching aircraft? Sure, you design them. Now that you've got your wings, it's time to rise to the next level and head for the stars. With our environment stabilized, attention has turned to the cosmos. Space hotels now offer rooms with out-of-this-world views. Hypersonic aircraft turn transglobal journeys into short-haul hops, connecting Dubai to New York in just 3 hours. While air travel is vital, we recognize the need to